Elsinore, California, baby. They didn't have any loose sausage today. We had to buy it in the casing. So of course, when you get in the casings and you want to have it loose, you just cut the casing apart. Famous for coming to griddle demos in parking lots of Walmart. And it's funny, every picture we have together, I feel bad for him because he's always having to stand on stilts to compare to my stature. So, good to see you, brother. Are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Are you ready?
We're born ready.
We'll do the Colorado Cajun. Why do I call it the Colorado Cajun?
You're from Colorado.
Because I live in Colorado and I'm not a Cajun. All right, so let's cook it up, everybody.
It's a Colorado tablespoon.
Yes. So we got the Blackstone 36-inch griddle. Where can you buy this? Walmart. And it's on high-ish. Extra virgin olive oil. Down on the griddle sausage that I bought right in there at that store called Walmart. And we sliced it up into little coin. It got real quiet. Real quiet. Little coin-sized slices. Who else is using the garlic paste? I love it. It's fresh tasting, it's oil and garlic, but you don't have to sit there and chop up like 40 cloves of garlic. And you can do this, it's really fun to do on camera. You ready? It's not open. Edit, cut. Who's gonna have a knife on me? All right, you ready? Let's do it again. So when you're talking about Cajun cooking, they have what they call the Trinity of Cajun cooking, which is like some kind of a bell pepper, an onion, and celery. So here, we've got the red and the green bell pepper. Look how pretty that is.
One of my favorite things.
Yes. Onion.
Oh, my favorite.
You like onion?
Yeah, I can't do too much onion.
I love it, onion. We're gonna mix it up. Sausage, garlic, onion, red bell pepper, green bell pepper. Man, I'm excited today. Why? The rice. Uncle Ben, I still call it Uncle Ben. I use the long grain wild rice for this recipe, but you can certainly use jasmine or something. So Ben's long grain wild, I don't know why I'm going like this today.
You're making my job hard.
Hannah always says that when she films me. She's like, you could do me a favor and not move around so much? Here we go, mixing it up. This is 2 portions. Vanessa, this is only 1 serving.
Right.
Also want to give a shout out to our crazy design departments, right, Corbin?
Oh, yeah.
They make all these cool, like look, the hat, the 2022 Griddle More hat, our cool aprons, our cool t-shirts, all this stuff. So we have some of the coolest graphic designers in all the world working for Blackstone. And Corbin, turn around and say hi on a selfie mode there. That's Corbin, everybody.
Hi, Corbin.
So what do we have in there so far? Olive oil, garlic, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow onion, andouille sausage, long grain wild rice, celery, and a little more of the Blackstone Cajun seasoning here. Yes. Yes. Who was that? Someone likes Cajun. It can be Louisiana brand or Crystal brand, some type of a cayenne-based Cajun sauce. You can put a little bit or a lot. We'll put a little bit here. and then we'll leave some up in the window for later. So a little bit of that. But what goes really good with the Cajun hot sauce? Heavy whipping cream. The heaviest too.
Oh yeah.
Yes! Fresh chopped parsley. Cilantro is like what I use the most of, but parsley just kind of goes really good with this. So a little bit of parsley. Mix it up. We'll pull it. We'll add just a little more hot sauce and some fresh lemon on there. And serve it up. As I put that in there, we'll grab some lemon and make sure we get a little bit of lemon juice. All right, here you go. Colorado Cajun. Oh wait, that's some hat you got there, man. Where'd you get that?
Oh, I'll tell you.
How is it?
It's excellent.
Excellent. Eric, how is it?
Of course, good.
Straight down on the griddle top. Get some color on them. Get that cheese nice and warm. Oh, yes. Sausage looking good. Got some garlic in there. Next, right in the middle, right there, some little cherry tomatoes. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at the color. Come on. Yeah. Whoa. It's all about the color to me. Hopefully, if it tastes good, then you can get it to look good too. It's so easy to make just pancakes and plain brown things, but it's nice when you can incorporate some cool colors. I'm looking around here. I'm always making sure I don't forget something, so we'll see. Don't put it past me to forget an ingredient. I often do. All right. Oh yeah, that red. There we go. Whoa, tomato down. Up next, we are going with Blackstone's Loaded Italian Sear and Serve Sauce. Blackstone's Loaded Italian. I like to shake it up just like the cars. All right, here we go. Ready?
Okay.
I'm trying to think of how this looks better when you go to...
Not down the back.
Yeah, I know. We'll see, Vanessa. You never know. You ready? There it is. Take one last look at it. And down we go. Oh, it's so cold. All right, so down with the sear and serve. And then there's more. Hold on. A mixture. A mixture. Washed and diced by yours truly, a mixture of fresh basil and oregano. But wait, there's more. Asiago. Now we serve it up. I don't want to feed you subpar food. All right, a little extra cheese on there. Frisbee. Woo! So here we go with the tortellini, or I guess you could call it tortelloni. One last dusting of the Parmesan and Asiago.
Time for some tortelloni, I'll tell you that much.
Right when I was saying I usually forget something, I was like, wait a minute, I did. And it's gonna get worse as I get older, apparently. Corbin, don't you dare tell her what happened to me at Jamba Juice the other day.
Oh, I won't.
I give you bacon fried corn. tortilla, flaming hot Cheeto, crema, lime, lemon, bacon fried corn, bacon fried corn, bacon fried corn, bacon fried corn, bacon fried corn.